If you're stuck wondering how much should I charge for my digital product, you're not alone. Whether you're on Etsy, Gumroad, or any online marketplace, pricing your product can be the difference between no sales and consistent passive income. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly how to price your digital products strategically, competitively, and profitably. Stick around to the end because I'll also share a pricing formula and real examples that work. Let's talk about why pricing is so important. Unlike physical products, digital products have little to no cost to reproduce. But that doesn't mean they should be cheap. Pricing too low can hurt your perceived value. Pricing too high without the right positioning might scare buyers away. Your price tells a story about the quality, value, and even the transformation your customer is expecting. So, let's dive into the factors that actually matter when pricing. Different digital products have different pricing ranges. Here are some typical examples. Printables and planners, $2.99, $15. Canva templates, $7. 50+ courses or eBooks, $9. 199 spreadsheets or business tools, $9. 99 licensable designs or bundles, $15. 150+. On Etsy, customers are often looking for budget-friendly options, while on Gumroad, you have more flexibility to price premium content, especially if you're building a brand or teaching something in depth. Now let's look at the 6 main factors you should consider when pricing your product. Value provided. Does your product save time? Solve a specific problem? Offer a unique transformation? Target audience. Are you selling to students, professionals, or business owners? Their budget tolerance varies. Competition. Look at what similar products are selling for on Etsy and Gumroad. Don't copy, position yourself. Perceived quality. Great design, strong branding, clear messaging. These allow you to charge more. Inclusion of bonuses or bundles. Add extra value to justify a higher price. License type. Are you selling personal use only or offering commercial use or extended licenses? Pro tip, use platforms like Etsy Rank or Everbee to spy on pricing trends in your niche. On Etsy, shoppers are usually comparing dozens of similar products, so pricing smartly here is key. Use psychological pricing like $3.99 or $9.95 instead of $4 or $10. Offer tiered pricing, a basic planner at $3.99 and a bundle at $9.99. Factor in Etsy fees. Transaction plus listing plus payment fees yield roughly 8 to 10%. Keep an eye on conversion rate. Sometimes lowering your price by $1 can double your sales. Example, if your product is priced at $5.99 and sells 100x a month, you're looking at $5.99 in revenue for just one listing. Now let's talk Gumroad. It's built more for creators and educators, so pricing here can be higher. Gumroad lets you set a minimum price and allow buyers to pay more. This is great for fans or value-based pricing. You can price courses or templates at $20, $50, even $100 if your product is niche and valuable. Consider subscription products or tiers, e.g. Starter Kit 15, Pro Kit 39. Offer limited time discounts or coupon codes to boost urgency without cheapening your brand. Gumroad takes a percentage of your sales, between 8.5% to 10%, so factor that into your pricing. Here's a simple formula to help you get started. Perceived value plus bonus value plus time saved. Market competition x brand positioning equals your price. And if that sounds complicated, start by looking at 3 to 5 competitors, see what they're charging, and ask yourself, is mine better designed? Easier to use? More helpful? If yes, charge more confidently. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't price based on what you would pay. Price based on your ideal customer. Don't undervalue your product just to get sales. It's hard to raise prices later. Don't forget to update your price as you improve or bundle your products. Do offer a great description, previews, and value-driven messaging. Do test different prices and track your conversion rate weekly. Pricing your digital product isn't one size fits all, but now you have a solid framework to get started the smart way. Comment below. What kind of digital product are you selling or planning to sell? Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more digital product tips, and check out my editable templates to help you start faster.